Hello, my name is Sylvie Patrick, and for this February month, American Heart Month, I wanted to give you a 15-minute workout using the power plate to increase cardiovascular fitness level while I am toning and working my muscle as well. Using the vibration, you are able to work much harder. Your muscles are going to contract at a higher rate than if you were on the ground. And guess what? To be able to have this muscle activation, we're going to be using one important pump into the body, which is your heart. We need to have enough blood flow going into the muscle that are working that hard to be able to allow them to do their work. Are you ready? We're going to start by warming up. We're going to spend 30 seconds in that series of movement. I'm going here for my toe, flexing the toe towards the chest, elongating the leg. Then I'm going to go here, reaching forward, and then continuing to turn and reaching above. Back to center and front. Let's do that one more time. To the center here, and let's switch legs. So start with the heel on the platform, the toe flex towards your chest, flat it here, and then coming above. Warming up that hip. All right, time to get on the power plate, and I call this move the hula hoop. So we are rolling our hip left and right into a circular motion. Good, and we're gonna start here into our happy place, meaning I'm gonna bring my hip back, bend the knee, but you have shifted your body weight underneath the ball of the foot, right there. Hold it here for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna start holding that squat low. We're gonna start walking down and up. Alternate. Step up with the left leg. Step up with the right leg. Did you notice that I'm keeping my knee really low? You can hold or you can choose to challenge yourself. You need to stay here for a full minute. We are almost there. Good. We're going to stay and rest here into a kneeling position. My chest is over my hand. Hold it here. Did you see how I align my shoulder, knee, and hip? You got 30 seconds to recover. Four, three, two, and we are back into an exercise here where we are bringing that knee up and down. You can tap with the same legs or just alternating. It is a step down, alternating. We're staying here for 60 seconds. So going up the 13-inch, 9-inch of your power plate model allow you to have this cardiovascular increase work. Going up and down your power plate at that rhythmic allow your heart rate to rise. We got 10 more seconds. And you can choose to hold or not hold. Always soft knee. 5, 4, 3, 2. I am back here into a static rest 30 seconds, and I choose to engage my triceps. Hold it here. Slight bend into the elbow. Bring that head off the shoulder. We got 10 more seconds. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. I choose to do a step to the side this time. So look, I am stepping sideways. Same thing, staying low, soft knee, with the option to hold or the option to let go. But I am here for the 60-second again. Halfway there. Choose the intensity of your workout, meaning you can walk it or be faster. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and I'm resting here into my static squat. Hold. Again, I am in this happy place, loading the front foot, still the knee over the foot, and hold. You get 15 more seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and look, we're going to be placing a knee here. We step up and switch leg. Step up and switch leg. It's a fast paced. You can hold, step up and switch. Step up and switch. I want to extend a little bit the leg, going vertical. It is that series of step up, step down that is rising our heart rate. Almost there. Last 10 more seconds. And right here, I'm going to stay static, holding for 30 seconds. My back knee is slightly bent. My front knee aligned with the front ankle. And I'm holding here. Breathing, recovering. 30 seconds. Last 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and I'm back in here on my step down, step up. Stay active. So I'm now familiar with the move. I can bring a little bit more intensity. Halfway there. You got 30 more seconds. And we're going to be holding at the end of those 20 seconds with the other leg static and recover for 30 seconds. Last 15. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You're holding here. Remember, the back leg is slightly bent. My front leg directly aligned, my knee directly aligned and then over my ankle. And breathe. Halfway there. All right, are you ready for my challenge of the next 60 seconds? It is going to be a mountain climber. So I'm back here. Remember it? If you need, you can just lift 1, 2, coming back down. Otherwise, just stay there and look at your timer on your power plate. Chest is over the hand, Slight bend in the elbow. It is like if you're trying to push your power plate forward. Stay engaged. Oh my goodness, I have 20 more seconds to go. Breathe the whole time. Remember, you choose your intensity. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm back on the power plate for my resting time, opening slightly the knee on the outside, and my sit bone are directly over my heel. Hold. Engaging the inner thigh now. I got 15 seconds. Inhale, exhale. Last one, 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm standing in front of my power plate. Look at the move. My hand on the power plate. This back leg is back. Like if I am in a deep lunge. Look at it. I come up directly here, knee, and step down. Again. So, you got it. And when you are familiar with the move, give it an all, because we have 30 more seconds. And you can walk it. You're giving the amplitude and range of motion, choosing your intensity. Last 5 more seconds. And we're going back right here. Rest into that static plie. 20 seconds. Last one on the other leg for the step up. 10 more seconds. Counting down. 5, 4. Did you breathe? Inhale. Exhale. Back in here. This time I'm there. Or I walk it. Choosing the amplitude of movement. Selecting your intensity. You got 60 seconds to go. Arriving here halfway. Can we do maybe even more intensity? If you're feeling good today, come on, last 15. You got it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Back in here. Hold, breathe. Inhale. Exhale. You survived. It is 15 more seconds. Hold it here. 10 more. And we're going to go into stretching those calves and the back line. Bring your heel on the edge of the plate. Drop the heel towards the floor and use your hip over the feet to intensify the stretch of the calf. You can hold on the wall at home if you have a move or a personal, or maybe on a chair. Breathe. Let's drop one knee and alternate, shifting your body weight from one leg to the other. Inhale, exhale. And on that last one, I want to stimulate some of our lymphatic nodes that we have around the body. One is right underneath the armpit and one behind the knee that I want to address today. It is going to help me to recover faster. So here on my power plate, I bring that armpit on the edge of the power plate, and then my chest is slightly inclined towards the ceiling, and I'm going to tilt front and back, trying to find that area that is maybe a little bit more acute. Hold, breathe. Hold here for 3 big deep breaths. And I'm doing the other side. So again, you can see here that I'm bringing my thumb into my armpit, lifting my arm, and I'm placing the edge and the compression of the power plate using my mat right in this area. Side to side. Inhale, exhale. Using the vibration to technically tap into the area and stimulating the network of lymphatic capillaries right here. Good. My last one is definitely bringing the mat on the edge here, and I'm going to place the back of my knee on the power plate. Hold. You can even lay down if you wish, and just relaxing here. Let the vibration and the circulatory benefits of the vibration stimulate here that area. It's also feeling really good for the calf. I'm wishing you all a fabulous health, and I see you for more routine on the social media of PowerPlate.